Our students thrive when they really embrace the rich environment that Oxford represents.
It's a proper old school Oxford academic course, but the standard is incredibly high, and so it's very exciting actually to teach it.
Oxford equips you with everything you need to go to the outside world and apply your degree.
The economics and management combination is exceptional. It allows students to get an inside view, but also an outside view on how organizations work.
You learn a lot really quickly, but that's also quite exciting because you've managed to pack in so much in 3 years and really expand your knowledge.
Students, if they wish, can follow a set of options that allows them to take a particularly mathematically intensive approach to the subject, studying topics in economic theory and econometrics and mathematical economics. In this way, students can construct a degree course that provides excellent preparation for graduate study and perhaps doctoral work in economics.
Students can study environmental economics and climate change, asking how can we put a value on the environment when there's no market for it.
People might wonder why study E&M at Oxford. Well, partly because it's at Oxford. What better place to study can there possibly be? But also because the study of economics and management almost anywhere is going to be hugely valuable for almost any walk of life.
Oxford is a hub for leading economics professors and policymakers from around the world. These senior figures will often visit Oxford during term time in order to provide public lectures.
Students will be taught, but also mentored in very small groups.
There's no one best thing, but if I had to pick one, I'd say the tutorial system. It's just amazing.
Students don't just learn about models, they're encouraged to critique them all the way through. This is part of the strength of a tutorial system.
Tutorials are amazing because you have a group of 2 to 4 students with a professor, and you get to talk about a particular topic and the essay you've written and your particular argument, and the professor will help you, guide you along.
I think most students nowadays find most engaging the topics that are current, like AI, or that are timeless, like, say, strategy.
I was really lucky in my second year to have a research analyst position with this venture capital firm, and I learned all about AI startups and the AI landscape in the UK, which is really fundamental at the moment, so it was a great opportunity for me.
Our graduates are very sought after. E&M graduates are an asset to any kind of organization because they have this very broad skill set.
Lots of people get great jobs from this course, and all the familiar names come up, Goldman Sachs, McKinsey and so forth.
It does drill into the necessary detail to be able to prepare you for a variety of careers afterwards.
Students develop significant skills in a range of areas that are useful in future careers.
Everyone comes to Oxford, everyone likes coming to Oxford. So if you're a student who wants to connect to the real world, this is a great place to be for 3 years.
Oxford's economics department comprises the largest number of teaching and research faculty of any economics department in the country. This means that no matter what your interests, you will find a group of scholars teaching and researching in your area.
One of the special things about studying economics at Oxford is the other people you will be studying it with. Spending time with them will be one of the most enriching parts of your course.
For me, the best thing about studying at Oxford is definitely the people you study with. I think sharing a classroom with people who are equally as passionate about the subject as yourself, but who have different viewpoints.
Having a place where you can make friends, where you can eat and where you can sleep, definitely helps in integrating a lot better and enjoying life more.
The students who thrive in our course need to be able to work independently. Our term times are short, but very intense and very busy. But we're always here to help if someone's feeling overwhelmed.
I would describe the course as challenging, yet at the same time very intellectually stimulating.
One key skill that's developed as part of the economics and management program is an understanding of how to interpret data, conduct hypothesis testing, and infer causal relationships from observed data.
We focus on the admission tests and just be prepared to talk about economics and management in the interview.
Don't be scared. They don't expect you to know everything. They don't even expect you to know anything about management. Just be yourself. They want to know that you can learn well in this institution.
So if this feels like something that you're interested in, these actual subjects, that I would definitely apply. Give it your best.
We hope that you put in an application and we look forward to meeting you.